Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to select and delete multiple photos on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your Photos app. Once you're there, just tap on the select button besides the three dot symbol at the top right corner of your screen. So tap on that, and now you could either select any of the photos that you want just by tapping on it, and the faster way to do it is tap and hold on your screen or on any photo. As you can see, tap, hold, and just swipe. Don't need to tap and hold that long. You could just tap then swipe to any photo that you want to delete. As you can see, it will be selected faster. Once you're done, just tap on the delete button at the bottom right side right here. Then delete 7 photos. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.